Good evening from RejuvaMed at home, as I guess these videos are turning into at the moment. Several weeks into lockdown now, it's Wednesday, and we've done 2 or 3 videos now on looking after your skin during lockdown. Last week was a general topic about anti-aging for the skin as a whole, but this week I've just got one little product with me. This is called HydraFirm, part of the Zeo medical product range, which is a kind of step up from our general skincare products. HydraFirm is designed to be used around the eyes. Now, around the eyes, and particularly the area underneath the eye, is a challenging area to deal with even in clinic. We see a lot of people who come in with dark circles, a little bit of bagginess under the eye, and that can often be helped by using a little bit of filler just into the cheek to lift and support the under eye in particular. But things like dark circles can be quite challenging, fine lines and wrinkles around the eye, and this is where HydraFirm from Zeo comes into its own. It acts in several different ways. Firstly, it will treat and help fine lines and wrinkles. It will deal with dark circles under the eye and also bagginess under the eye, and also loss of moisture and suppleness to the skin. And it does this in different ways. First of all, it uses retinol. Now, retinol is a big part of medical grade skincare, and retinol within HydraFirm helps improve collagen production, elastin production around the eye, and helps decrease fine lines and wrinkles. Also, another clever product or chemical called kojic dipalmitate helps reduce the dark circles, the pigment that makes the skin under the eye look dark. A second big factor in the benefits of using HydraFirm. Then we're looking at some of the puffiness under the eyes, various what we call enzymatic vasodilators, coenzyme A, caffeine. They help to reduce that puffiness under the eye. And then a range of products that will then improve moisture content and barrier function of the skin around the eye. Really is the fourth prong. And we use small amounts of this a couple of times a day. We apply it around what we call the orbital rim, which is the bony margin of the eye, along with the other Zeo product range. We will usually use this with a general Zeo product system, but not always. Some people will decide just to go ahead and use HydraFirm. And what we're going to do for the next week or so is to make a fairly good offer on HydraFirm. It's usually £113. Any product purchase at the minute of £150 and over attracts a 10% discount. But what we're going to say is if you can get your basket up to £150 for the next week or so, we will take an additional 10% off HydraFirm. So 20% off, so that's roughly £22, £23 off. A great eye product that really will help sort out that eye area when you're not able to get into clinic. And even with Botox or fillers in this area, HydraFirm as an eye regenerating product is a great investment. So get in touch, drop us an email, let us know. HydraFirm plus just need to be one other product in your basket. We'll ship it out free. We'll take 20% off HydraFirm and you'll see a real difference. So thanks for listening, stay safe and talk soon.